Me as I dive into the latest RV trends for 2025 at the Edmonton RV Show and try to spot the innovations before anyone else. RV bathroom trends in 2025 focus on maximizing space, luxury, and eco-friendliness while incorporating modern aesthetics. Here are some key trends. Space-saving and multifunctional design. Sliding doors or pocket doors to maximize space. Wall-mounted or corner vanities to improve floor space. I love the under cabinet lighting in this bathroom. Most of these bathrooms in the luxury RVs were bigger than my bathroom in the master bathroom in my home. The showers themselves were quite big, and I loved in a few of them that they actually had tons of height. For a husband that's quite tall, this is something that is a nice feature that the 2025 bathrooms have nowadays. These next two bathrooms are at the front of a fifth wheel trailer. So you had the bathrooms at the very front and then these walk-in closets where you could put the washer and dryer in, but a rail that went all the way across on this one, which I thought was quite impressive. And then I went to the next one and it had a similar design to it. This closet was even bigger than the first one that I showed you. Look at all that space. Like, you can store a lot of clothes in there.
I'm not sure I have enough room.
But then one of the toy haulers, this was the size of the bathroom. I mean, you can't even bend forward to do anything you need to do. It was crazy, the contrast of the bathrooms in the size. And then you go back to another one of these huge bathrooms in the front of the RVs, and this one actually had a dressing mirror where you could have some quiet time to put on your makeup with its own lighting. Huge contrast between the two, but I was impressed by the space because my current RV trailer does not have that much bathroom space. RV kitchen trends in 2025 focus on efficiency, luxury, and sustainability while incorporating smart technology and stylish design.
Yeah, the gray is
Here are a few of the top trends. Space-saving and multifunctional design.
Wow.
Hidden or pop-up storage solutions like pull-out pantries and toe kick drawers, convertible dining areas that double as a workspace or lounge space. Luxury residential style features, deep farmhouse style sinks with high arc faucets, high-end induction cooktops and convenient convection ovens for better cooking efficiency, upgraded countertops like quartz, solid surface, or lightweight marble look materials. The refrigerators all had ice machines in them. There was beautiful kitchen lighting and appliances. And the sleek modern aesthetics, two-tone cabinetry with matte finishes, gold, matte black, or brushed nickel hardware for a high-end look. RV laundry rooms in 2025 are all about compact efficiency, smart tech, and sustainability while ensuring convenience for life on the road. Most of it was space-saving and multifunctional design, stackable or all-in-one dryer combos, safe space, convertible spaces with laundry area doubling as a bathroom or storage nook. This was one of the dining table designs that I only saw in this one trailer. Maximizing storage in RVs is a top priority in 2025 with innovations that enhance organization, accessibility, and aesthetic. Numerous kitchens had walk-in pantries, which I have never seen before. This huge storage amount was impressive to see. You had storage that went all the way to the ceiling, under the stove hood fan, and tucked behind televisions was huge storage space being used, which was lovely to see. You have a front entry closet there, and then this little guy was tucked in behind the couch to store lots of different things. Also, the closets in the front of the trailers had lots of built-in storage for you to store your clothes, and there's space for your washer and dryer. And then things underneath the trailer were all lit up, so there were no hidden spaces underneath your RV. Look at this nice, clean, crisp-looking under storage areas. And then you have pull-out trays, slide-out storage trays for easier access to your outdoor gear.
That is tons of storage.
RV living rooms in 2025 focus on versatility, luxury, and space-saving solutions, ensuring a cozy yet functional space for full-time and weekend travelers. There are multifunctional and space-saving feature, convertible sofas and sectionals with built-in storage. Can you tell that I love the fifth wheel design with the living rooms in the front? You had motorized or drop-down TV mounts for flexible viewing, theater-style reclining seats, electric fireplaces, neutral earthy color palettes with wood or matte black accents. Many of these lounging chairs were massage chairs as well. The loft areas in 2025 RVs are designed to maximize sleeping, storage, and multifunctionality while maintaining a stylish and comfortable feel. Here was what was trending. Lots of these RVs had more than one loft area, and the space up there was enough for an adult to feel comfortable. Lots of them had stairs or spiral staircases, easy access for children to get up there, but yet still feeling safe and secure while inside. They look like they'd be a fun place to hang out even at my age. Ice makers in RVs. I don't know about you, but my RV does not have enough space in order to have an ice maker in it. But these
Ice
fridges
machine,
were
there it is,
huge, and double drawers for your freezer space, 2 doors to open them up. But every single fridge that we saw in these larger luxury models had an ice maker. And in the smaller RVs, they even had an ice maker on the outside of them. But it was just fascinating to me that this is now an option to have in your RVs. I was just as excited to see updated stairs and rails, sturdy rails to hold as you walk into your RV. Your item was to see these glass rinsers, the ones on the edge of your sink where you hold your cup upside down, press, and it cleans the inside of your glass quickly and efficiently. It didn't seem to matter on the size of the RV or the kitchen itself. Nearly every RV manufacturer had this as an option in their luxury model RVs. Did you know that you can now have your bottled water on tap and that it's stored below underneath your RV? What a great option. Rear patios are becoming a must-have feature in the 2025 RV designs, turning the back of the RV into a stylish and functional outdoor space. Folding down patios with quick deploy railings for safety, convertible patio decks that serve as an outdoor dining or lounge area, and toy hauler garage patios that double as extra living space.
And you pop that one down.
Yep. Okay. Wow. Yep. Cool.
Gone are the days of the standard RV lighting. These were LED strip lights. You had hanging chandeliers, under cabinet lighting for all your under storage, and chandeliers and ceiling fans galore. But the newest of the new is built-in RV vacuums.
Is that a vacuum?
You go like that. And
Shut
you
the front door.
As I walked the show floor, I was struck by just how much innovation is happening in the RV industry and I think that what I'm most excited about is the sense of possibility that comes with seeing all these new trends and technologies come together. Whether you're in the market for a new RV or just looking to upgrade your current ride, understanding what's out there can make all the difference. What's your favorite trend from the Edmonton RV Show? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more RV content and camping content in Alberta, be sure to check out my videos on camping in Alberta. There's a whole playlist just on that topic. It's a must-watch for any serious RV enthusiast ready to explore the wonderful province of Alberta, Canada.